Hello, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Hi, my name is Sandrine. How are you? So in today's video is inspired by Sophia Nylon. I think that's how you say her name. I'm not too sure. But she uploaded a video, I think like a month ago. Yep, a month ago, where she makes every beauty guru eyeshadow palette. So I was like, I have all these eyeshadows that I don't use, clearly because I thought I was gonna get into makeup and all that mess, but it just did not work out. So now I have all of these here. I'm like, why not try this video? So I've had my eyeshadows, all of them. I have this little bowl where I'm gonna mix everything in, and I also got the Fix Makeup Repair Kit. So all I'm gonna do is just scrape out a little bit of every eyeshadow that I have, put it in the mold, in the bowl. Then I'm gonna mix it in. Mix it in this, and hopefully it turn out good. I think it's gonna turn out like probably like a brownish or like a reddish color, because these are kind of like all the colors that I basically have. Excuse my hands, I was making a sweater and all this glue is on it and I can't get it off. I've washed my hands several times already, so that's just how it is. Oh, I think I have like one colorful makeup eyeshadow, and that's this. Okay, so let's get started. I'm really excited for this video, so yay. Okay, so I have my little bowl. I didn't have anything else, so I'm gonna be using this little knife, plastic knife, and let's get started. First one. Oh, by the way, I'm using all of Hush makeup eyeshadow palettes. So I think this was my first video that I ever did. I ordered some makeup palettes of Hush and did some swatches. But here's this one. it is the next day, and I left this overnight or whatever so that it can dry and absorb and all that mess. Okay, so I washed my hands and everything. So now let's see how it's look. I don't know how it look because obviously I saw it last night, but it's dry. This is how. Let's do some swatches. How it looks. Let's see how it looks. It looks kind of dark to me, but I'm not sure. The brushes that I probably have never used. I think I have only used probably this one to put on my foundation. And this one. I don't know what I did it for. But I really don't know what, like which one of these is supposed to use to put on the thingy. The eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna try this brush. So let's get started. You guys cup a little. Okay, I'm using this. Oh, that's a lot. Excuse my little eyebrows. I'm putting on too much, but I'm not too sure, so I really don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying. How do people do this? I'm scared that I'm gonna poke out one of my eyes. Oh lordy, lordy. Oh Jesus. I think it looks the same. I think it looks okay. That's all I have to say about that. It's pretty. Let me see what else I can do. Maybe a little black. Oh no, I messed up. Yes, it's right here. I'm not even gonna try with that. I need this thing to curl my eyes. I will be back. So at this, I go. Let me do this. Just have a little mirror. I see a little something right here. Maybe I just need some more. I think it's a cute little highlight. Right, it's in the house. Look at me pretending like if I know what I'm doing. Oh Lord. Ooh. This is my favorite thing to do. Put on some highlight. Oh. That is way too much. Maybe I need a little this area. What do you guys think? Oh my lordy, lordy, lordy. I think like for the first time actually doing my eyes, I don't think it turned out that bad. I kind of like it. It's kind of like a dark brownish. I'm not mad about it. It's okay. I'm pretty impressed. Let me close up. Hold on, let me close my eyes. Let me know in the comments section what you guys think about this. I really do like it. Would I ever wear this out in public? I don't think I'm that confident, but it turned out so good. I'm proud of myself. Ooh, let me call my best friend and see what she thinks. Hold on. I hope she answers. Hello, darling.
Hello.
Are you sleeping?
No.
Can you see my eyes? Just look at my eyes and tell me if it's good or not.
And tell you if it's good or not?
Mm-hmm.
It looks okay.
Thank you.
Is that for your video?
Yes, ma'am. And you're on live.
Oh, okay.
I think it turned out so good.
Turn to the side. Okay, highlight popping.
Well, that's it. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, she likes it. Maybe she was lying. I don't know. But it turns out so good. I was worried about this. Maybe I could try something new. Like beating my face, but nope. I look okay. Not gonna lie. How does people do those? This like this. Okay. Well, that's the end of this video. If you guys like it, make sure to subscribe, comment, and share this video. Just for fun. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.